Let's learn today use of willing to. Let's know firstly meaning of willing to is ready, prepared or happy to do something, showing agreement, desire or readiness. Structure of affirmative sentence is subject plus helping verb means is am or was were plus willing to plus verb first form plus object. Examples of affirmative sentence: I am willing to help you. She is willing to teach us. They are willing to work hard. He is willing to sacrifice everything. We are willing to learn English. Ali is willing to join the team. The teacher is willing to guide students. I am willing to support you. She is willing to speak the truth. They are willing to solve the problem. Structure of negative sentence is subject plus helping verb plus not plus willing to plus verb first form plus object. Examples of negative sentence: I am not willing to go there. She is not willing to listen. They are not willing to change. He is not willing to apologize. We are not willing to accept this. Ali is not willing to study. The teacher is not willing to wait. I am not willing to lie. She is not willing to help him. They are not willing to cooperate. Structure of interrogative sentence is helping verb plus subject plus willing to plus verb first form plus object. Examples of interrogative sentence: Are you willing to help me? Is she willing to teach us? Are they willing to work hard? Is he willing to sacrifice? Are we willing to learn? Is Ali willing to join? Is the teacher willing to guide? Am I willing to change? Is she willing to speak? Are they willing to solve the issue? Let's know use of helping verbs is are and am are used for present tense, was and were are used for past tense, will be is used for future tense, is will be used with he, she, it and singular subjects. Are will be used with we, they, you and plural subjects. Am will be used with just subject. I was will be used with I, he, she, it and singular subjects. Were will be used with we, they, you and plural subjects. Will be used with all singular and plural subjects. Thank you. Let's learn together.